This tutorial will demonstrate how teachers and course designers can add Savvas content into their Schoology course. After the realized Schoology integration has been established and a course has been created, choose Add Materials. Then choose Savvas Realize Course Connect. A pop-up window will appear. This is known as the Savvas Realize Discover tool. Choose the desired Savvas program. If a program is not listed and should be, click on your name. Then choose My Programs under the drop-down menu. A list of available programs will be listed to add within the Realize Discover tool. After finding the desired program, choose it. Once the window shows the table of contents, navigate to the desired content. To preview a content item, click on the tile. After previewing an item, return to the previous screen by clicking on the Exit button. Choose the Import button to add the item. At the top right, there is an option to verify content items. This list functions like a shopping cart, allowing users to verify what items have been selected for import. Multiple content items can be added at once. Simply navigate to the desired content and continue adding as necessary. To add customized content or items from a playlist, choose the My Library option. Customized assessments and individual items from a playlist can be imported as well. To search for content, choose Browse All Content. Use the filters to narrow what content is listed. Once all content items have been selected and verified, choose the Import button. This will import the Savvas content directly into Schoology.